This is Linux, make the switch.
Episode number 10, LAMP Part 2, MySQL and PHP.
Hosted by Travis.
And Brandon. You can email us at
linuxmaketheswitch@gmail.com.
Also check out our forums, linuxmaketheswitch.com/forum. Hey everybody, welcome to episode number 10. We're going to finish up the LAMP series. We're going to install PHP and MySQL. Again, Travis is not going to be here. He is off in college. So he's over, 2.5 hours away, so it's kind of hard for him to get his butt over here. So we're just going to go ahead and do another episode really quick. And again, we're going to try and get these out a little bit more on a weekly basis. School starts for me next week, so maybe a couple of my other friends will stand in for Travis until we can get him back here. Okay, enough of that. Alright. php.net for PHP. Go to downloads. You can either get the source code, Windows binaries, and we're not going to install it from source. We're just going to go ahead and use YAST because it's much easier for us, less configuring and stuff like that. Then mysql.com. Go to where's the download things? Here we go. Downloads. And go ahead and read all this and download the one that you need if you want to do it like that. Or just open up YAST, software management. It's the wrong one here. There we go. Get this all loaded up so it makes it a little bit faster for us. Not package groups, we want selections. And we're going to head over to a simple web server with Apache 2, MySQL, MySQL client, shared libraries, and we're going to go to search for PHP, PHP5. We're going to need that Apache 2 mod underscore PHP5. It's the PHP5 module for Apache 2. And then if you want to use, you might want to check all of these. These are just different modules. We're definitely going to need PHP5 MySQL so we can do PHP5 to MySQL stuff. If you use this one, PostgreSQL or whatever it's called, SQLite, XSL, zlib for like compression and stuff like that. You can go ahead and check the ones you think you'll need, or you can just check all of them. Check that, and we have everything for PHP and MySQL. We're going to go ahead and install this. And this is, again, we're setting up a LAMP, Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP for a web server. If you want to do your own hosting, you could potentially do your own hosting through your Linux box, or if you wanted to just create a simple web server for yourself for testing purposes. So I do for the site, for the linuxmaketheswitch.com, I have Apache set up with PHP and MySQL, and I have a exact replica of the site on my computer, so I can go ahead and make the changes on there, test them out, make sure they work, and sometimes they don't always work correctly. That's why sometimes there's a couple of bugs on the site, but I get those worked out right away, hopefully, if I catch them. Well, you know what? We'll just meet you when this is done installing. Okay, there we go. We have it installed. Just gotta wait for it to, update everything, and then we will have PHP, MySQL installed. We already have Apache installed, and of course we already have Linux installed. And there we go, we have our LAMP set up, and you can go ahead in that same directory that I showed you last episode. You can create your PHP files and database stuff, all that other fun stuff. And sorry again, this is a short episode, but just trust me on this one. We're going to have a couple of good episodes coming. Somebody suggested on the forums a Fedora Core 5 install, and we've already thought about that beforehand, but we're going to probably put that out. That's probably going to be our next episode. It's going to be probably the easiest for us to do, seeing as how Travis probably won't be able to show up. What we'll probably have to do is have Travis on Skype, and what we might do is have a setting up Skype under Linux, and then as a little mini episode, and then we're gonna do the Fedora Core 5 install. Travis won't actually be here, but he'll be here with Skype, which is a voice over IP technology, so he'll be able to talk with us. And no, we don't want to install or remove any more packages. That's it. Until next time.